Ready, go!
Hello and welcome to this spooky elimination race. The rules are simple. 4 cars race against each other down the track, over the trapdoors, and whoever reaches the finish first wins. 2 racers from each set of 4 will go through to the next round. So, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. The first 4 racers are McQueen, Patrick, Catboy and Woody. Ready, go! There goes Patrick and Woody. And it's Catboy who wins it, so he's into the next round. Second chance for these 3. Ready, go! Patrick and McQueen have fallen, so it's Woody who goes through. Unlucky you 2, you're out. Next, it's T-Rex, the Flash, Mickey and Driver Funling. Ready, go! Oh, what a race! Driver Funling and T-Rex got flicked off and the trapdoor randomly opened, blocking Mickey. The Flash reached the finish, but he did crash, so does it count?
Yes, it counts. He goes through.
Who else will go through? Ready, go! It won't be Driver Funling. It's T-Rex. He reached the finish first. Well done. So Mickey and Driver Funling are out. Now it's Hulk, Rocky, Forky and Optimus Prime. Ready, go! Forky wins, so he's into the next round. Second chance for these 3. Ready, go! There goes Hulk. And Rocky easily wins. Well done, Rocky. Sorry, Hulk and Optimus Prime, you're out. And finally, it's Ace, Super Funling, Blue and SpongeBob. Ready, go! Off goes Super Funling, Blue and Ace. So SpongeBob wins, even though he's on his side. Who else will go through? Ready, go! It's Blue. She reached the finish first, so she goes through. Unlucky Ace and Super Funling.
So, these racers won that round. 2 from each set of 4 will reach the final. Who will it be?
Catboy, Woody, the Flash and T-Rex. Ready, go! Woody and the Flash are out of this race. And Catboy beats T-Rex to the line. Well done, Catboy, you're in the final. Who else will join him? Ready, go! T-Rex has fallen. Oh, close one. Who goes through?
Well, only Woody's on the track, so he's into the final.
So T-Rex and the Flash are out. So, who out of Forky, Rocky, SpongeBob and Blue will reach the final 2? Ready, go! Wow, great race! Blue won it, so she's into the final. 1 space left in the final. Ready, go! Rocky's been blocked. Oh, and how close was that? They were both very quick, but SpongeBob got flicked off. So it's Forky who crossed the line first and is our last finalist.
So, this is it. The final between Catboy, Woody, Blue and Forky. 1 race, 1 winner, but who will it be?
Ready, go! Forky and Catboy have fallen. And there goes Woody. So Blue crosses the line first.
Wow, so today's winner is Blue. Well done.
Ready, go!
Hello and welcome to this spooky double loop race. The rules are simple. 2 cars race together round the loop, and whoever crosses the finish line first wins. The flag should tell us who wins, but we've got a giant skull, Mummy Funling and Vampire Funling as judges, just in case. Oh, and we've got some ghost fans who want to watch too.
Hello! We want Elsa to win. What? What? No, we want Hulk to win. What are you talking about? We want Patrick to win. No, we agreed Elsa will win. No, we want Hulk to win. Hulk? I thought we said Patrick. Patrick, yeah, Elsa's blue, so I want Hulk to win. Hulk smash!
Maybe we shouldn't have invited them. Oh well, so everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. It's Ace versus Woody up first. Uh-oh, Woody's crashed into the loop, so Ace is into the next round. Spider-Man versus the Flash. Oh no, now the Flash has fallen, so well done Spider-Man. Catboy versus the Joker. Oh dear, now Catboy has crashed. So the Joker goes through. Hulk versus Nemo.
Go Hulk!
Hulk crashed.
No!
Well done Nemo. SpongeBob versus Rockstar Funling. And there goes SpongeBob. Ha ha ha! Another one's fallen. So Driver Funling wins.
A lot of drivers have crashed. Maybe it's because of the fog. Hey Ghost, can you do something about the fog?
Okay.
Ah, that's better.
Will no fog help Forky and Elsa? Oh, great race! The flag says Forky won, so he goes through.
No!
Patrick versus Bumblebee. Bumblebee's fallen, so Patrick goes through. And finally, it's McQueen versus Blue. McQueen wins! The flag agrees, so well done McQueen.
So these racers won that round. Who can win again?
Ace versus Spider-Man. Ace was too quick for Spider-Man there. Nice one, Ace. The Joker versus Nemo. The Joker zoomed around the loop. Great race, but it's the Joker who goes through. Rockstar Funling versus Forky. Oh no, Rockstar Funling is upside down. So Forky easily wins. And finally, Patrick versus McQueen.
Yes, Patrick, you can win!
Oh, that was close. The flag says McQueen won.
What? No, he didn't. Patrick won. Patrick won.
Alright, Ghost. We'll ask the judges. Actually, we agree. Watch. It is close, but Patrick did just reach the finish first, so he goes through. So these are our final 4.
Yes, Patrick!
Who will make it to the final?
Patrick will. He will.
Ace versus the Joker. Ace wins, even though the flag says the Joker won.
Nah, the flag's wrong. Well done, Ace.
But will Forky
Boo!
or Patrick
Yay!
join him in the final? So close, but the flag says Patrick won.
Yes! Woohoo! Yeah! Go, Patrick!
Actually, I'm not so sure. It was so close, they were both very fast, but I think Forky just reached the finish line first, so he goes through.
What? This is an outrage! Patrick clearly won! Huh!
So, this is it. The final between Ace and Forky. One race, one winner. But who will it be?
Ready, go!
Ace reached the finish line first.
So that means today's winner is Ace. Well done.
Ready, go!
Hello and welcome to this spooky beach race competition. Hold on, we're a few races short. Don't worry, there are 3 races over there. Chase, Ryder and Rocky. Oh, excellent. So, the rules are simple. 2 racers will go head to head along their track, and whoever crosses the line first wins. And don't even think about cheating, we've got eyes everywhere. So, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. It's Ace versus Catboy first. Ready, go! Catboy has spun past the line, so he goes through. McQueen versus Batman. Ready, go! This time Batman spun past the line. Nice one, Batman. Ryder in his first race against Patrick. Ready, go! Oh no, Ryder has crashed. So Patrick cruises through to the next round. T-Rex versus Optimus Prime. Ready, go! Oh no, Optimus Prime hit the sign. So T-Rex easily wins. Oh no, he hasn't crossed the line. He's close though. Does he go through?
Yes, he's closest to the line, so goes through.
Hulk versus Forky. Ready, go! They both hit the fence, but neither have crossed the line. Forky is definitely closer though, so he goes through. Winnie the Pooh versus Chase. Ready, go! Chase has been knocked into the finish. He hasn't completely crossed the line, but he's close enough. Nice one. SpongeBob versus Driver Funling. Ready, go! Oh no, SpongeBob broke through the fence and off the track. So, does Driver Funding go through?
Yes, because at least he's still on the track.
And Buzz versus Rocky. Ready, go! Neither are that close to the line, but Buzz is just closer, so he goes through.
So these competitors won that round. Who can win again?
Catboy versus Batman. Ready, go! All close, but Batman's done enough to win it. Well done. Patrick versus T-Rex. Ready, go! That was close, but Patrick has crossed the line, so he's into the next round. Forky versus Chase. Ready, go! Oh, this is interesting. Who's closest to the finish?
I can't tell from here. Pumpkin?
I have a perfect view from here. Chase is just closer, so he's the one into the next round. And Driver Funling versus Buzz. Ready, go! Driver Funling bumped Buzz into the finish, so he goes through.
So these are our semi-finalists. Who will make it to the final?
Batman versus Patrick. Ready, go! Batman wins, so he's our first finalist. And Chase versus Buzz. Ready, go! Ooh, cheeky by Chase. A nice wheelie, and then he hit Buzz into the fence and crossed the line to win it himself. so he's our other finalist.
So, this is it, the final, between Batman and Chase. One race, one winner, but who will it be?
Ready, go! Oh, he's done it again! Chase shoved Batman into the fence to win it!
Wow, so today's winner is Chase. Well done. Hello and welcome to this spooky pumpkin target competition. The cars will start at the top of the haunted house, race down the ramp and bump the pumpkin onto the target. The outer ring is worth 10 points, the next ring is worth 20 points, and the centre ring is worth 30 points. Each car will have 2 attempts to score as high as possible. And to help us judge, and who supplied the pumpkin, it's Pumpkin Funling. Hello, don't hit the pumpkin too far, it's the only one I have.
First up is Super Funling.
Let's go!
Good start, that's 10 points. How will the second bowl go?
Let's go!
Oh, so close. So Super Funling has finished on 10 points. Nemo now.
Let's go!
Oh no, it curled away from the target. Next attempt.
Let's go!
That one was also really close, but Nemo has finished on 0 points. Patrick Star next.
Let's go!
Excellent bowl, Patrick. That's 20 points.
Let's go!
Looks good. Oh, but it's curled away. So Patrick has taken the lead with 20 points. How will Lightning McQueen do?
Let's go!
Not quite, McQueen.
Let's go!
Not very far, McQueen. So Patrick is still in the lead. Blue the Velociraptor now.
Let's go!
Needed a little more power, Blue.
Let's go!
Oh, close, but not far enough. So Blue also finishes on 0 points. How will the Joker do?
Let's go!
Amazing bowl, really close to the 30 points, but still got 20 points.
Let's go!
Joker's taken the lead as he has scored 10 points, so finishes on 30 points. PJ Masks Gecko next.
Let's go!
Missed the target, Gecko.
Let's go!
Close again, but just missed the target. Unlucky, Gecko. Next up is Forky.
Let's go!
Powerful bowl, which has scored 10 points.
Let's go!
It's another 10 points for Forky, so finishes on 20 points. Close, but can't quite win. King Funling to race now.
Let's go!
Not quite. How will the second bowl go?
Let's go!
That's 10 points, so King Funling finishes on 10 points. Ace to race next.
Let's go!
Oh no, it rolled backwards.
Let's go!
Not even close, Ace, so finishes on 0 points. Star Wars Luke Skywalker now.
Let's go!
Good bowl, that's 10 points.
Let's go!
Oh no, where's the pumpkin gone?
Ooh, a pumpkin. I'm going to keep it.
Hey Spider, give us our pumpkin back. It's our only one.
Fine.
So Luke Skywalker finishes on 10 points. Can Woody get the most points?
Set, go!
This is close. What zone is it in?
A small fraction of the pumpkins in the 20-point zone, so Woody scores 20 points.
Set, go!
Close again. Judges?
Well, a part of the pumpkin is in the 10-point zone, so it counts as 10 points.
Therefore Woody is equal first on 30 points. Batman next.
Set, go!
That was so close to the 30 points, but just falls short. Next attempt.
Set, go!
Which zone is that in?
Well, it is ever so slightly in the 20-point zone, so it's worth 20 points.
Which means Batman has now taken the lead on 40 points. Bumblebee now.
Set, go!
That's not far enough at all, Bumblebee.
Set, go!
Bumblebee hasn't made the target, so scores 0 points. Next up is Spider-Man.
Set, go!
That is so close, but not far enough.
Set, go!
Oh no, it's curled away from the target. So Spider-Man also finishes on 0 points. Finally, it's Iron Man. Can he get more than 40 points to beat Batman?
Set, go!
It's a good start. 20 points. He needs 20 points to draw and 30 points to win.
Set, go!
Oh, it's only 10 points, which means
Batman is the winner! Thanks everyone for competing, and thank you for watching!